front of you. To descend, just push the control lever forward. Thank you. Pilots, prepare for liftoff. Astro Orbiter is now beginning its descent. Please remain seated until your rocket ship stops, and follow the arrows to the flight deck. Welcome back, pilots.
Pilots, please remain seated till your rocket comes to a full complete stop. There's that stop, my friends. Exit to the left of your rocket. Gather all your belongings, follow arrows and signs on the ground to the exits, and have a great day.